Okay. Hi there. My name is Daniel Oknov. I'm in Set 2E, and today I'm going to be demoing Assignment 1. So here's my home page, my main page, the root that I'm hosting on a Kodi server. Here it is. And so I'm going to start by showing the user database, which is on MongoDB. It's a folder called Assignment 1 Users. I already have tested out a couple of users here. Here are their hashed passwords along with their names and their emails. So if I click on the sign up button to create a new user, I can enter, let's say, let's try Robert here, into robert@gmail.com. Let's give them a simple password like 123. And here I'm now greeted with this picture. I'm in my members page, and these pictures do randomly generate. I have a couple of pictures here. I should have a third one if it would load. Yeah, there it is. So now if I go back to my database and refresh this, I should have a new user here whose name is Robert with the email, his name, and his hashed password. And also, if I go to the session folder, I should now have a session for Robert. Here it is. So now if I click on the sign out button from here, or I guess in my case log out, this session should now disappear, which it has. Yeah. So now, let's say we want to log back in with those same credentials, hit submit, and now say I want to delete this cookie, which I can do. And now if I refresh it, I am unauthorized, meaning that the session should have been deleted. So now, if I go back to the login page, going back to this root, say I was to do this same email but different password, the wrong password, and I hit submit, I'm now greeted with this invalid email password combination, and I'm told to try again. So now, if I try to log in but with the correct credentials, I am once again taken to the members page as shown here. And if I now try to visit a page that, say, does not exist, I'm giving this error, page is not found. I wrote this in my code editor. So speaking of which, let's open that. So in my environment file, here I have the variables that I'm using, and I use them here in my app.js file. As seen here, MongoDB user, MongoDB password, cluster, database, collection. These are all used here. Sessions expire after 1 hour. That's shown right here. These are in milliseconds, so yep. And also, I have to, and I validate my user inputs with Joy. I believe I do that. Where did I do that? I do that here when signing up, and I do that here when logging in. And the environment file has been added to my git ignore file as seen here. But yeah, that is just about it. Thank you.